Did your Ninja Swirl stop spinning or dispensing halfway through a cycle? No error, no noise, just a sudden stop? Here's what causes it and how to get it running again fast. Step 1. Check if the swirl press is jammed. The swirl press may have hit dense mix or got stuck mid-movement. Unplug the machine, lift the handle back up, and check for resistance. If it's stuck halfway, you'll need to manually reset it by removing and reseating the parts. Step 2. Let the pint soften before retrying. Rock-solid pints can overwhelm the motor and force a shutdown. Let the pint sit at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes, then try again. Step 3. Clean the nozzle and paddle path. If dried mix or sticky buildup is blocking the swirl path, the machine can stop to prevent damage. Disassemble the front nozzle and paddle, rinse everything, and reassemble carefully. Step 4. Rebuild everything slowly and reset. Unplug the unit, remove all parts, then reassemble them from scratch. Pint, swirl press, outer bowl, lid, handle. Once everything is aligned and locked, plug the machine back in and try again. Step 5. Avoid overfilled pints and chunky add-ins. Too much pressure from overpacked ingredients can stop the swirl press cold. Stick to the fill line and add mix-ins after the base has spun. Still stopping mid-cycle? You may have a motor issue or jammed part. Ninja support can help. The link's in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more no-nonsense appliance guides. And if you're dealing with stubborn buildup, we've linked a food-safe cleaning brush set below, perfect for clearing out swirl jams and keeping things running clean. Thanks for watching, and swirl easy!